How to locate your employer ID number in H&R Block. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. The first step is to open up any web browser and head over to hrblock.com and press enter. Then on the home page, you first have to sign into your account. For that, click on the sign in option. There on the box, you will have to enter your username, email or mobile number and then click on the continue option. If you do not have an account, click on create account, follow the instructions and then your new account will be created. Now your employer identification number is your employer's ID with the state. It is a number that identifies your employer to the IRS. The simplest way to find your EIN is to look on the box B of your W-2. It is a 9-digit number with a dash after the first 2 digits. If you don't have your W-2 yet, you can find your EIN on the last year's W-2. If you still work for the same employer, you can also reach out to the department that handles your company's payroll. They should be able to provide you with the EIN. Once you find your employer's EIN, simply type it in and click on the continue button to import or enter your W-2. If you still cannot find your EIN, you can leave it blank. You won't be able to e-file, but you still can file a paper return. If you do not have an EIN but want to apply for one, you can simply apply it using the IRS website. Sometimes you might find your EIN is invalid while preparing taxes with the H&R Block online. It might be due to the length of the number rather than the number itself. You are limited to 16 characters when entering a state ID or EIN. A few states have IDs or EINs that are more than 16 characters, so it might appear that the EIN is not valid when you enter it. For those states, enter as much of the state ID or EIN for the box 15 as you can, then continue through the rest of your return. And that's the end of our video. If you have any questions or confusions, let us know on the comment section below, and do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.